Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, I spent yesterday here on campus redoing videos and found out that all of the sound was off. So, it's Monday morning and I'm quickly trying to at least get today's video out to you. And hope you had a great break. And look forward to working with you this semester. So, today we're going to do a Class Dojo activity. It's called Reflect and Goal Set. And in order to get your access to this Class Dojo activity, you're going to have to join us in the conferences, which is like the button that's on the left. I'll show you in just a minute. You're going to get the class code from our conference and then work on that. And then ultimately, you're going to study Unit 5, Geography and Vocabulary. Because even though we are kind of in the middle of Unit 5, which is Eurasia, we didn't finish it. I'm going to go back and redo the vocab and the geography. So you had those quizzes last year or last semester, and we're just going to redo them as a quick refresher. So let's see what we're doing today. So this is the activity. I think it's going to pull up. There it is. It's going to talk about in Dojo, it's going to say my 2020 reflections. It's going to be kind of like a highlight, so on and so forth. And then it's going to be your goals. I'm also going to do a separate video during class to discuss how to write on this if you're not going to use it in Dojo, okay? But Dojo has tools that'll help you complete this activity. And as I said before, if you're looking at this Monday night at 11 o'clock, the codes that I give you today are only going to be activated or active for about an hour or so. So you're going to have to come back to class or during class time tomorrow and get another code. Okay? So once again, join us during class time today. Hitting this conference button. Let's hold on. This is Mr. Hess interrupting with the morning announcements. Anyway, hit the conferences and join us today and you'll get access to the Class Dojo code. These are the key terms for Unit 5 and this is the geography. Okay, and then there's also a quick overview. All of these slides that I'm showing today are in the PowerPoint that's in your folder for today. Okay, so email me if you have any questions. Have a great day.